Right now, when someone comes to build a site with WordPress course.com, they're going to find this. This is just for looks, and it's temporary. This is not what I want to be my homepage eventually when this website goes live. That page, by the way, is a page that the agency theme lets us put up that other WordPress themes wouldn't. Okay, other than that page, I have build a site with WordPress saved as a draft, building a website step by step, how to start a website business, and the cost of building a website. I have decided out of these 3 pages, building a website step by step, how to start a website business, and the cost of building a website are going to be the 3 pages that I point at the home page. And what I want the home page to be is going to be how to start a website business. It's the people that type those keywords in that I feel are going to want to spend money on starting a website business. And what I'm going to be doing is giving people away free things to get them on my list. So what I'm going to do is let's get rid of this, these pages, and the other page, by the way, all pages, and point them back to the one page, the how to start a website business page. Okay, to make this page our home page, or to choose our home page, this works with every WordPress theme. We've got to go to our settings and our reading, and when our pages are alive, we click on static page, and we can choose the front page, but right now all there are is 3 pages on here that are live: the contact me, the privacy page, and the sample page. So what I've got to do is take this page from a draft, and I've got to bring it to life. I've got to bring it live, but I don't want to do that until I get a video on it. And there's a specific way that we upload videos to our YouTube channel, and this is extremely important. Every video in this course is important that you watch. And let's right click on this image and copy embed HTML. I usually take it back and save it on a document. And I changed the size to 580 because most WordPress blogs, the right size for videos is 580 width. So let's copy this. Let's take it back to where we want it, how to start a website business, and we're going to put it right here. So we simply edit page. Let's go to text, and what we're going to do is find these X's, right? That's what the X's are for. So go to text, and those X's are right here. Make sure you only get between the arrows, just the X's, and you paste. Now let's go back to visual. You want to preview this page, make sure it looks right. And there is the video, and it's got the nice looking cover. And this page is pretty much ready to go. So now we can actually go back and make it live instead of a draft. So from here we can go back to our page, and we can scroll down, and you simply click publish. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Now let's go to our settings, reading, like I showed you a minute ago. Now we want our front page to display a static page. We want our front page to be how to start a website business. Before I click on Save Changes, I want to make sure that you understand this. Right now, if we go to build a site with WordPressCourse.com, remember what I showed you in a couple of videos ago? That's what it looks like right now. Well, let's change that. All we need to do is what I just did. Now click Save Changes. And I need to fix up my bulletproof security plugin again. But let's go back to this page. Let's click refresh. And there we are. Our home page is now this page. What I need to do right away is get my autoresponder over here, because this is all about getting people on your list, right? remember, build your contact list. So maybe what I'm going to do next is put in my autoresponder. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, what I've done is make up a free ebook here. Let's open it up, show you really quick. Shrink it down, and it's 10 pages long. It's not too bad of an ebook. And I uploaded it to one of my websites. So now what I need to do is go to my website here, and I need to add my autoresponder code to the side. So let's do that. I need to upload an image, so remember, always start a new test page. This is just for uploading images and stuff like that. And let's just call it test. Practice, whatever, practice works. Practice page for images, and just save it as a draft. Now, as long as this is just a draft, we're good to go. And I have an image on my desktop right here I'm going to use. And the images for your sidebar should be 200 wide. Exactly. So let's upload this image. If you have it pre-uploaded, you could upload it from there, or I'll just do it the easy way and I'll upload it again from my hard drive here. How to start a website business e-cover. Open it. And for your alt text, you might as well call it the same thing. You want Google to know what your website's about. And leave this in the center. Insert. Now right here above it, you want to put free ebook or free report or whatever. And you want to make this text as wide as this image is. You also want to make it stand out, so first let's go font size. Let's try 5, see how that is. Try to bold it. Try font size 6, see how that turns out. That's better. Now what we want to do is change the color. Let's try red. Kind of bright red. Maybe we'll try another color of red, maybe this color. And I can play around with this later and work on it. Now right here is where you want your autoresponder code to go. So we go to text, where the X's are. And let's go pick up our autoresponder code. And this is the one I'm using from Pure Leverage, by the way. Copy it. Paste it here. Let's go back to Visual. Okay, now let's go to text again. Let's copy all of this. Copy. Now we want to go to our Appearance widgets. And we want to go to our primary sidebar. And we want this at the very top of our primary sidebar. So we simply put text here. And put nothing in the title, and paste all of that HTML coding right there. Now let's save it. Let's go back to our home page and let's refresh it. It should appear here. If I did everything right, that is. There we are, free ebook. First name, email, click here. A couple of mistakes I made is I should always have your information will never be shared, and maybe let's make this a little bit brighter red, but I'm going to do that on my own. Alright, now that I have this in the sidebar, and whatever you do, make sure you test. I tested this a couple of times just to make sure it worked, and I made a download page that sends people to so that they can click here and download. Let's go back to YouTube. And this is what I do with my YouTube videos after I upload them. I like it. I send it out to Facebook. And with Facebook, you can put a message in here. Just put something like, "Hi all, here's a free ebook on my new website. I share this. I tweet it, and Sakura just got home. The dog's going crazy. Most certainly. And Google Plus. Let's add the same message to the Google Plus followers and share it. Alright, one more thing I want to do really quickly is install the widget widget on the sidebar here so that I can tell where the traffic comes from. And that's easy to do. Just go to Appearance, Widget, and again on the primary sidebar. Anyway, just left click and hold on this and drag it over here under the text. All you got to do is click Save and Close. Come back here and refresh, and it's going to appear right down here. There we go. Now as people start to visit this website, they will show up here. I will know where they came from, I will know which page they landed on, and sometimes I will know where they go to when they leave my website. And keeping track of your statistics is very important.